Your research can benefit the world in many ways. It might improve health and well-being, influence policy and public debate, create economic prosperity, protect the environment, contribute to the welfare of communities, improve education, help develop useful new technologies, or enrich our cultural lives and change how we see the world. Most funding agencies now consider impacts like these an essential part of their research programs. To meet funders' requirements, you need to think carefully about the impact of your work, not just at the outset, but throughout your research project. This can be incredibly difficult. Although the impact of some research is apparent straight away, it can often take many years or even decades for impacts to emerge, and they may be the result of hundreds of factors, of which your research is just one. UCD's Impact Toolkit cuts through this complexity, helping you plan, capture, communicate, and monitor the impact of your research. Our tools and resources will help you identify who in society stands to benefit from your research and work out how to engage with the right people to create impact. Gather evidence of the impact your research has had. Write a compelling impact statement or impact case study, and track whether your research is being picked up and used by a wider audience. To find out more and give your research the best chance of making a difference, visit www.ucd.ie/impact toolkit.